Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Saturday, July the 4th, 2020. We have here a regular medium Sudoku, only one, but there is also a queen triplet and an additional with several Sudokus, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic. So a lot of puzzles for the weekend, and I will start first with the Sudoku Medium. Alright, before I start, I want to count the numbers, the digits in this puzzle. So we have here 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is 26. So we have here 26 printed digitals, and if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, we have 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and I believe the 1 star is 27, has 27 printed numbers. So this is a 2 stars because the 2 stars has 26 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I use. Yes, I see here in this row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. So in this big square, the 1 and the 9 cannot be in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and the 9. We see here a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then we see here here 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then A9 in this column, A9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for a 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here already a 9, no 9 there. Here a 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, the first one. Alright. How about the number 8 in this row and 8 in the last row? So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. How about these 3 numbers? These 3 numbers are the numbers 2, 5, and 6. 2, 5, 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But I see in this big square the other 3 numbers should be the 3 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Here we have the 7 and the 8 are missing. 7 and the 8, 7 and the 8. Remember that I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and the 8. Yes. We have a 4 in this column, a 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first column. 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4, but how about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And then the second column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, so no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 in this column should be here, the 8. So we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about 1, 2, 3, 7 and 6. Alright. Yes. We have a 5 in this row. A 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And then how about the number 1, 2, 3, 2. 3, 6, and the 4. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. And in this big square, we see here a 1 and a 3 here. So in this box, 1 and a 3. Here cannot be 1 and a 3. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Here we have the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. That means the other 2 numbers are the 6 and the 7. The 6 and the 7 are missing. 1 and the 3, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, I believe. I remember the 8 and the 7, because these 3 numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 6. 2, 5, 6. These 2, 7 and the 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. That means the 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 7, I believe. Yes. Then 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 1. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 1 number left in this last row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And then how about these 2 numbers in the second column? The missing numbers here, the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6 in the second column. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 3 is missing. Then how about the 1 and the 6? Let me see. 1 and the 6. 2. These 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 3, and 6. 1, 3, and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. Sorry, 1 number left for the number 1. Yeah, not number 6, but for the number 1. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 6 and 5, we have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 2, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 right there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Again, thank you for watching this video. And I will continue later or with the quintuplet or with the additional Sudokus. 6 additional Sudokus, extra Sudokus. So, I will see you later. Thank you, take care, and keep on puzzling. Bye-bye for now.